Welcome to Alpay's weekly crypto news and updates. Weekly key highlights are: $19 billion liquidation sparks massive hedging as traders flee Oracle risks. Enso Finance debuts on Ethereum mainnet, unlocking access to 1K plus blockchain. Coinbase adds BNB to roadmap, hinting at US trading expansion. CME Group unveils Solana futures options, boosting institutional interest. XRP futures options go live on CME, expanding institutional trading suite. Visa report shows USDT driving transformation in $670 billion lending market. Paxos burns 300 trillion PYUSD after mint error, raising stablecoin security concerns. Wormhole's portal swap introduces same-chain swaps, advancing cross-chain DEX tech. HIP-3 upgrade brings permissionless perpetual markets to Hyperliquid. Monad opens airdrop portal, distributes tokens to 230k wallets for L1 expansion. Before we continue, please note, Alpay does not independently verify the accuracy, completeness, or timeliness of the information presented. All market insights in this weekly update are for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Now, let's explore the stories behind each headline. The October 10th and 11th liquidation event, which wiped out $19 billion in leveraged positions, prompted a surge in hedging activities among traders, with options markets showing increased put buying to protect against further downturns. Analysts noted that this shift reflects a broader market sentiment focusing on downside risks, as investors rotated capital into Bitcoin from altcoins for perceived stability. On-chain evidence suggests the crash may have involved coordinated Oracle manipulation rather than pure panic, with specific assets like USD experiencing venue-specific price drops inconsistent with general market behavior. Actual trader losses were estimated at only 5% to 15% of the reported $19 billion, as the figure primarily represents nominal position sizes rather than real capital at risk due to leverage mechanics. This incident highlights systemic vulnerabilities in Oracle designs and the need for improved infrastructure to prevent amplification of small manipulations into large-scale events. Enso Finance activated its mainnet on Ethereum, introducing a unified interoperability layer that allows developers to access over 1,000 blockchains through a single interface. The protocol aims to reduce integration complexity for DeFi projects by handling decentralized roles like Graphus and Action providers automatically. With more than $17 billion in settled on-chain volume prior to launch, Enso positions itself as infrastructure to streamline cross-protocol interactions. The native ENSO token, launched simultaneously, incorporates a deflationary model starting at 8% annual inflation to incentivize network participation. This development could lower barriers for builders, potentially fostering more efficient DeFi ecosystems on Ethereum without relying on fragmented tools. Coinbase added BNB to its listing roadmap, signaling potential future trading once liquidity and technical requirements are met. This move comes amid industry discussions on exchange listing practices, with Coinbase emphasizing its no-fee approach for compliant tokens. BNB's inclusion aligns with Coinbase's Blue Carpet initiative, which provides issuers with customized asset pages and direct access to listing teams. As the native token of the BNB chain, this could enhance US accessibility, given historical restrictions on the asset. The announcement reflects a potential shift in competitive dynamics between major exchanges, possibly bridging ecosystems for broader adoption. CME Group launched options on Solana futures, expanding its cryptocurrency derivatives offerings beyond Bitcoin and Ether. The new contracts, including standard and micro sizes, provide institutional tools for hedging and exposure management. Initial trades involved major players like Cumberland DRW and Galaxy, indicating strong liquidity provider support. This development reflects growing demand for regulated Solana products, building on over 540,000 futures contracts traded since March. The launch could facilitate broader institutional participation in Solana's ecosystem, enhancing its role in decentralized finance. CME Group introduced options on XRP futures, marking another step in diversifying its crypto product suite. The contracts offer daily, monthly, and quarterly expiries, catering to various trading strategies. First trades were executed between firms like Wintermute and Superstate, demonstrating immediate market interest. With record futures volumes in August, this addition addresses demand for advanced XRP instruments. The move underscores XRP's maturing institutional appeal, potentially aiding its integration into traditional finance systems. If you're enjoying these updates, please like this video and subscribe to Alpay, and hit the bell to stay updated on the latest crypto and blockchain news. Now, let's move on to the next crypto update. Visa's report highlighted stablecoins like USDT as key infrastructure for a new lending space, facilitating $670 billion in loans over 5 years. The analysis notes their role in creating always-open global credit markets with automated execution and transparent pricing. Stablecoins enable borderless capital flows, potentially transforming the $40 trillion wholesale credit market. Future developments may include tokenized assets as collateral and on-chain identities for credit assessment. This evolution positions USDT and similar assets as bridges between traditional finance and programmable money. Paxos accidentally minted 300 trillion PYUSD tokens due to a technical error during an internal transfer. The excess was identified and burned within 30 minutes, with no impact on customer funds or security. This incident exposed potential vulnerabilities in minting processes, prompting questions about on-chain safeguards for stablecoins. Paxos addressed the root cause, emphasizing the transparency of blockchain in quickly detecting such anomalies. The event underscores the need for robust controls in stablecoin issuance to maintain trust in dollar-pegged assets. Wormhole launched Portal Swap, integrating same-chain swaps powered by Mayan into its cross-chain bridge. This upgrade transforms Portal into a comprehensive DEX, supporting swaps on multiple chains like Ethereum and Solana. Users can now execute native-to-native cross-chain swaps in one interface, streamlining token operations. With over $55 billion in prior volume, the feature expands value capture across the ecosystem. The launch enhances Wormhole's interoperability, potentially reducing fragmentation in multi-chain asset management. Hyperliquid activated its HIP-3 upgrade, enabling permissionless deployment of perpetual futures markets. Deployers must stake 500,000 HYPE tokens to create markets on Hypercore, decentralizing the listing process. This shift empowers builders to launch perp DEXs without centralized approval, fostering innovation in derivatives. The upgrade follows the platform handling $10 billion in liquidations, demonstrating its scalability. HIP-3 could accelerate Hyperliquid's growth as a key infrastructure for on-chain perpetuals. Monad opened its airdrop claim portal, distributing MON tokens to over 230,000 eligible wallets across community tracks. Eligibility was based on a September 30 snapshot, covering on-chain activity, social graphs, and initiatives like Monad cards. The portal remains open until November 3, with anti-Sybil measures implemented in partnership with Truster AI. This distribution aims to bootstrap stakeholders for the high-performance EVM-compatible Layer 1 ahead of mainnet. The airdrop emphasizes genuine contributors, potentially strengthening Monad's community-driven governance. Thank you for watching Alpay's weekly crypto news and updates. Stay tuned for more insights, market highlights, and the latest developments in the world of crypto and blockchain. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update.